Okay, continuing on. We're still doing 3F, um, blood alcohol content, and now we're doing question 7. All right. So in question 7, they've actually given us a formula already. They've given us that, and they've told us what each bit means. So S is the number of standard drinks. V is the volume of the drink in litres. And A is the percentage of alcohol. So on this particular question, we're doing A and D. So there's A. We're given that one, and I'll go down to D, and we're given that one. So 5.2% alcohol and 38% alcohol. But we're doing those as separate questions. I'm just highlighting the bits. Now, the volume of the drink in litres. This is probably where you're getting tripped up. We have 345 mils, but it actually says that we need it in litres. So I've got to take 345 mil and convert it to litres. Now, there are 1,000 mil in 1 litre. Okay, so if I am going from mils to litres, I need to divide by 1,000. Okay, so we have got 345 mil. So if I want to convert that to litres, I divide it by 1,000, which gives me 0.345. And if you're not certain, go over and go 345 divided by 1. Oops, don't click on that. 345 divided by 1,000, and it will give you 0.345, just in case you weren't certain. So now, for question A, we have our litres. So we are still trying to work out our number of standard drinks. So we've got S equals V times A times 0.789. We're going to substitute in there because this is our V and our A equals 5.2%. So we've got, where am I? I've lost myself. There it is 0.345 times 5.2% times 0.789. Now, we've got to be careful because we've written down the percent and I'm not certain yet whether we need to use it or whether we just put in 5.2. So what we're going to do, I know what the answer should be. I'm pretty sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to double check and make sure that this is giving us the right answer. So I've got 0.345 times 5.2, and I'm going to put in the percentage as soon as I find it again. I've lost it. There it is. Oh, I didn't put it in at all. So 0.34 times 5.2, and I'll put in the percent. And then we're multiplying it by 0.789. And in a couple of seconds, I will know whether it is correct. No. Okay. So what we've got to do is, even though we're putting in the percent, we don't put in the percentage symbol into the calculator. Didn't think we would because it's not normally the case to put it in. But you never know. Sometimes these textbooks, I don't know. So let's go that again. So 0.3445 times 5.2, which is the percentage of alcohol, times 0.789, which equals 1.415, and then there was other numbers, but they wanted to one decimal place, so it's 1.41. So that is our number of standard drinks. We'll now do the same for question D. So question D has 30 mils, so I'm going to do 30 divided by 1,000 will give me 0.030 litres. So I've got my S equals 0.03 litres times my A, which in this case is 38%, times 0.789. Okay, we will chuck that into the calculator. I'll just move it over Oops, I am really, really annoying myself with that. Okay, 0.030 times 38 times 0.789 equals 0.89946, which equals 0.89946, which if we're going to one decimal place will be 0.9. And that's all there is on that one. So what you had to do, the big thing here was converting these into litres, and then just remembering not to use the percentage sign in your calculator. All right, done.